Morning to everyone. Today we have discussed some most important geography quiz questions for all competitive examinations. Let's start without wasting any time. Okay, move further. So the first question is the number of major ports in India is the major ports in India is 13. Okay. Next, which of the following is a peninsular river of India? Krishna. Next, which country has the largest coastline? Canada. Which of the following crops is regarded as a plantation crop? Coconut. Which of the following important rivers of India does not originate from the Western Ghats? Mahanadi. Which of the following areas or regions is most prone to earthquake? Ganga Brahmaputra Valley. Which of the following crops need maximum water per hectare? Sugarcane. Which of the following drainage system fall into Bay of Bengal? Here see, Ganga, Brahmaputra and Godavari, and Mahanadi, Krishna and Kaveri. So the both A and B is the correct answer. Next, the oldest mountain in India, Aravalis. Which of the following groups of river originate from the Himachal mountains? Bias, Ravi and Chenab. The number of major languages recognized in the Indian Union as official language? 22. The only state in India that produces saffron is Jammu and Kashmir. The National Saffron Mission was launched in 2010-11, but it was only applicable for the cultivation of saffron in Jammu and Kashmir. However, in 2020, the government has decided to revive this mission and expand the cultivation of saffron to the northeastern part of the country. Okay. Next, the Red Cliff line is a boundary between India and Pakistan. Next, the state having the largest area of the forest cover in India, Madhya Pradesh. The India's highest annual rainfall is reported at Mawsynram, Meghalaya. Right? See, I am here giving some important record about highest annual rainfall. See, the number one is the highest average annual rainfall, the continent in Asia, Mawsynram, India, that is Meghalaya. Next, second one is the highest in 1 year, that is also Cherrapunji in India. Highest in one calendar month, that is Cherrapunji in India. Likewise. Okay. Next, the Arlung Jangbo river in India is known as Brahmaputra. See, I am some more information is providing here. See, the Yarlung Jangbo river in India is known as Brahmaputra. Okay. The river Brahmaputra in China is called Arlung Shangpo or Arlung Jangbo river. In Assam and Arunachal Pradesh it is called Lohit or Luit, meaning blood. The Brahmaputra is one of the major rivers of Asia, a transboundary river which flows through China, India and Bangladesh. Okay. Next, the southernmost point of peninsular India, that is Kanyakumari is north of the equator. Next, the city of Nasik is situated on the banks of which river in India? That is Godavari. Next, Indravati is a tributary of which river? Indravati is a tributary of which river? Godavari. All the best. Thanks for watching. For more interesting updates, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching once again. Bye.